Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Since PowerPoint 2007, there have been 4 different basic file format types available. The first and default file format type is the PowerPoint presentation. This is a PowerPoint presentation without macros or code. It is the file type most users create by default. This is the file type you will create if you use the Save As dialog box to save a presentation, and the Save As Type dropdown shows PowerPoint presentation. These files have a .pptx file extension in Windows. Alternatively, to save a presentation that could potentially contain macros or code, select the PowerPoint Macro-Enabled Presentation choice from the Save As Type dropdown in the Save As dialog box. This file type has a .pptm file extension in Windows. This duality of file types also applies to presentation templates. To save a presentation template without macros or code, select the PowerPoint template choice from the Save As Type dropdown in the Save As dialog box. This creates a file with a .potx file extension. To save a presentation template that could contain macros or code, select the PowerPoint Macro-Enabled Template choice from the Save As Type dropdown in the Save As dialog box. This creates a file with a .potm file extension in Windows. To create a presentation that can be opened on a device running a version of PowerPoint before 2007, choose PowerPoint 97 through 2003 Presentation from the Save As Type dropdown in the Save As dialog box. Doing this creates an older presentation file with a .ppt file extension. If you opened a PowerPoint 97 through 2003 presentation file in PowerPoint 2007 or later, PowerPoint opens the presentation in compatibility mode, and the words compatibility mode appear in the title bar of the presentation. In compatibility mode, PowerPoint disables any features not supported by the older versions of PowerPoint. This lets you safely edit the presentation using your newer version of PowerPoint and save your changes in the original file format. This lets the creator or other editors using older versions of PowerPoint still open and use the presentation after you make changes. In contrast to this, to open a PowerPoint 97 through 2003 presentation file in PowerPoint 2007 or later to convert it and save a copy in the newer PowerPoint file format, click the File tab in the ribbon. Then click the Info command at the left side of the Backstage view. Then click the Convert button to the right to open the Save As dialog box and automatically select the newer PowerPoint presentation .pptx file format. Then enter the file name and select the save location in the Save As dialog box as usual. Then click the Save button in the Save As dialog box to save a copy of the converted presentation.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.